Manipulate multiple subtools at once by pressing W to activate your Gizmo 3D. Next, press the button to the far right to enter multi-select mode. Hold Ctrl and Shift keys while clicking to add to your collection of subtools. Unselected subtools will remain semi-transparent. Clear your selection by holding Ctrl and Shift keys while click and dragging your viewport. Also use your selection tools to click and drag over your selection of choice. With your selected subtools, place your Gizmo 3D and manipulate by moving, scaling, or rotating your subtools. When done, be sure to deactivate multi-select mode. The Gizmo 3D contains a helpful set of modifiers for manipulating individual subtools. Let's cover the most essential and helpful ones. Select the Bend Arc modifier to begin editing. All modifiers feature cone-shaped handles for editing. Bend Arc features 3 sets of cones to pull and bend your mesh in different directions. The green cones control bending in different directions. The white cones control the size of your bends. The orange cones control twisting along your bends if you choose. When done, click on the gear icon and press Accept to commit your edits. Choosing Reset will undo any edits made with the current modifier while leaving it active for retry. Press Delete will remove the current modifier edits and exit the modifier completely. The Bend Curve modifier will apply points to your mesh along a linear line for bending. The orange cone will add additional points. Simply click and drag to position points. Each point has a set of cones, one for squeezing, another for scaling, and lastly one for twisting. Click and drag this cone to change the axis orientation of your curve. Pulling this cone will toggle symmetry on or off. Selecting the Deformer modifier will place a 3D grid around your mesh with points available to manipulate and deform your model. Simply click and drag to move points. Move multiple points by unmasking them. Control, click and drag over points. Press and hold Alt before releasing to unmask points. Use your Gizmo 3D to move, scale, or rotate a collection of points. Pull the orange cones to add or remove rows of points from your grid on each axis. Pull on the colored cones to toggle symmetry on or off each axis. When symmetry is active, only one side of your mesh is editable. The Extender modifier will extend your mesh by pulling on one of 6 cones. Pulling on the colored cones will enable or disable symmetry for each axis. Pulling on the white cone will apply poly loops along the length of your extension. Grab and move this blue dot in the center to reposition your extension. The Taper modifier offers 6 cones to taper or flare out your mesh. Pull on the white cone here to change the shape. Once done, press the gear icon and press Accept to commit the edits.